there's a character that's relatable to everybody. So when you sit in that audience, it doesn't matter if you're a father, a son, a mother, a daughter, anything, a grandparent, anything. There is somebody in this production that you can relate to. I think the story's really, really a story of our day as well. It's timeless. I think our production is simply incredible. It's so colourful, yet really, really full with meaning and full of emotion.
The music in La Cenerentola is one of the highlights of Rossini's work, and I think the inspiration and the jokes in the music, the funny moments, the fantastic connection with what's going on the stage, I think this is just really top quality.
When I met Tomáš, I was still in the opera studio at the Bavarian State Opera in Munich, and it was my second season there. We're talking, it's 8 years ago now at this stage. The interesting thing, I suppose, is that he's seen my vocal growth along with my dramatic growth and what I've learned to do or not do on the stage. I really trust him to push me and let's try and find, new boundaries and try and find new colours.
If you want to have a really good time, then come to Welsh National Opera to see Cenerentola, because it's just a piece that gives you so much joy of music, joy of a great story.
The musical standard is really quite outstanding. The orchestra are playing so excitingly, I can't even really put it into words, the energy they bring. But it's something different when we get to a piece that Rossini did that's full, there's a lot of humour in it, a lot of jokes, a lot of really, really funny things, but there's still a lot of heart.